Let's unbox the second item. Up and down wears with springs. Be careful with the wrap in case of return. Wow. I think this is nice. This is nice for my husband. This is nice. Him that he likes white. Let me check if they see. Okay, I cannot see anything. Wow, this is nice. It's not bad after all. After all, it's not bad. It's not bad after all. So I got a good one for him. Let me check the size. Medium, okay? Because this thing, oh, this thing has to be washed. This one is nice though. Ah, my husband will love it. My husband loves wearing white. He loves white a lot. So the third one. What's this one? Classy sweatshirts. Let's see this. Wow. It's a catch. You can see. It's nice. Medium also. I think this medium means if I can wear it, my husband can still wear it. Oh my boy, it's fine. I think with the way you can wear it even in heat period. It's not too thick. You can wear it even when it rains. I think it's nice. Let's say this. Up and down joggers. Let's see this one. Medium as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is nice. Oh, my husband will be looking cute on this. Oh my gosh. Hubby will be looking so tantalish. Oh God. I can't wait to see my husband wear this. Omo, I carry I go market too. That man deserves a whole lot and more, because I cannot start to tell you what my husband has been doing for me. Omo, the guy know they gree shop for himself, so me I decide to shop for him, because anytime he just say, oh no, don't worry, you now just look good, baby, just look good. I just want to look. I say, you because you not gonna look good, you have to look good for me, okay baby? So I got to break my bank just for this, and I'm loving it. It's so fine. It's so fine. Oh my baby.